Hey, what's going on, guys? JD at JD's Custom Buggies. Want to show you something real quick. Uh, Might be something you guys, somebody might want to do if they're building a lot of motors or messing around with a lot of motors. But a couple years ago, when we started getting into some really heavy motor building, it didn't make sense to put it in the buggy to find out that there was an issue. So I had an old swing arm. I cut it up, made a start stand, put it on wheels so we can wheel it around the shop and get it out of our way when we needed to. So what it consists of is an old swing arm and a Craftsman utility tool cart and a ratchet strap. So just kind of give you a quick show of it, not to bore you. So there she blows. Fairly easy. I built this motor last night, and just to give you a quick demo, it's got a slide carb. So in this case, I actually just keep a slide and a cable handy for when I test out slide carbs or tune them. But it's kind of cool because we can kind of get the pilot jet dialed in here while it's on the cart, or in the swing arm here or on the stand. Then if it's a CV carb, then I can just basically turn it by hand with the cam on the side of the carburetor. So the wiring is a mess. I mean, this whole thing I want to improve, but it's just one of those things you never have time to get to everything. One thing I would like to do, and you'll see, I'll go ahead and start the motor for you, just to give you a demo. I'd like to make this out of wood, and I have a habit of throwing stuff in the bottom shelf of the cart, so of course when you start the motor everything rattles. So what I want to do is build a wooden cart, something that'll absorb some of the vibration, and then bolt this down to it, and I think it'll be a lot quieter. So, but just give you an idea. So that's all there is to it, but it doesn't really take much. You just, like I said, I threw that wiring together. In fact, that's the second time I've wired it. The first time, the wires started to get old and whatnot, and wires do that. And so just recently, like within the last month or two, I just rewired it again, just threw some wires together just to clean up some of the mess or whatnot. So that's it. I mean, it's an easy, there's no black magic involved, there's nothing to do. I actually took an old Earth Dog tank and used that. What I'd like to do is probably shorten the fuel line and put a fuel shell off in here. For now, I got a fuel clamp plier that I just clamp on there to shut the fuel off when I disconnect it. So I need to kind of hone it a little bit and improve it myself. But just figure I'd give you guys an idea. In the meantime, if you like what you're seeing, please give it a like. Appreciate you guys viewing. We're up to 230 subscribers, and I know I've made a promise that I'm going to give away something at 500, but I think what we're going to do is I'm going to figure out something to give you at 300 and then 400, and then we'll do the CVT system at 500. And then in between there, if you're paying attention, we'll do some t-shirt giveaways here and there in between there, just to kind of keep us motivated. So, bring your friends, kids, whatever. This is something that's interesting to you. The more the merrier. The goal is pretty much try to get to 1,000. I've had a couple people that I don't know except through Facebook who are into buggies like me, and they're like, man, you should start a YouTube channel. I'm like, I have one. Well, you need to do something with it, and this and that and the other thing. So now that I'm in it, just like with the buggy stuff, I'm hardcore and head first. So I'm motivated to try and push things to be the best they can be. So we'd love to have 1,000 subscribers. That's the goal. And hopefully we'll get there soon. But in the meantime, we'll just baby step it right up to the top there. Please subscribe. If you need parts, go to gotbuggies.com. We'll be uploading some new parts. Actually, we usually there's a couple of new parts every week that's getting uploaded. So, the parts inventory is just growing and growing and growing. So keep an eye out, and really appreciate it.